Hello dear students, today we'll start chapter number 9, problem of poverty. So in this chapter we will learn about meaning of poverty, causes of poverty and measures taken to remove poverty. So first we'll see the meaning of poverty. Now what do you mean by poverty? Poverty is a social phenomenon in which a section of society is unable to fulfill even its basic necessities of life. Clear? So there are two ways in which poverty is determined. The first one is absolute poverty. Absolute poverty is when consumers or households income is not sufficient to afford basic necessities, and relative poverty when income of one country is compared with other country. So this was the meaning of poverty as well as absolute poverty and relative poverty. Now we'll see some of the causes of poverty. So first is abnormal growth of population. Now when there is abnormal growth in population, it automatically will give rise to poverty, as when because the population and production doesn't grow in the graph of population and graph of poverty does not go in same level. So what happens? There is chances of price rise. When the price rises, what happens? The purchasing power decreases, hence there is poverty. Next we'll see low productivity of agriculture. Now agriculture sector is the main sector of our economy, and when the agriculture sector when there is low productivity, what will happen? It will automatically decrease the output. So when output decreases, it will result in poverty. Next one is low rate of economic growth. Now low rate of economic growth also results in poverty. When there is no development, and when the development is very less, so automatically it will give rise to poverty. Next is unequal distribution of income. So in our economy, if there is unequal distribution of income, then obviously there will be poverty. And the next one is administrative causes. Now corruption, red tapeism, this also give rise to poverty. So this way we have learned now meaning of poverty and some of the causes of poverty. So causes you can go through in your book also. There are many points given, so you can take any 5 or 6 points and you can learn those points. So today now we have discussed meaning and causes. Now we'll discuss about measures taken to remove poverty. Now we'll see some of the measures taken to reduce poverty. The first one is poverty can be eliminated when new employment opportunities are provided or given so that people can afford their basic needs. Clear? Next one, undertaking various social security programs like Workmen Compensation Act, maternity benefit, provident fund and other benefits like after death some funds should be given to the family member. So this kind of benefits a government should give so that to eliminate poverty. Next one, by spreading education. Now giving free books, giving special allowance. So this way what happens? By spreading education, poverty can be reduced to some extent. And one more, that is upliftment of rural. So see, in rural areas most of the poor they remain backward. So for that what happens? The government can introduce various schemes to uplift the poor of rural areas. So these were some of the measures taken to reduce poverty. So in this today in this video we have learnt about meaning, causes and measures taken to remove poverty. So that's all from this chapter. Thank you students.